So now, how are you thinking of spending your Christmas holidays? Will you be back home with family in the UK?
Yes, I'm going to go back to the cold, dark, wintry, snowy UK and sit in front of a big log fire and eat a lot of mince pies.
That sounds really nice.
Wow, May, I didn't realize you were such a good baker.
Baking has always been my hobby.
I love to bake ever since I was a child. It is actually a great form of stress reliever.
I used to like to bake bread when, before I had my boy, but then now with my boy, I have less time. So the way I relieve stress is to sit around the house, Marie Kondo style.
Looking pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Can you believe it's almost 2020?
No, it really has just gone by so fast.
How's your year been?
It's been busy. I'm sure it's been busy
It's
for
been
you
busy,
as
hasn't
well.
it? It's a good thing.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it time to call John?
Yeah.
John. Hey guys, how's it going? Good.
Okay, I think it looks good.
Look, I can't wait to touch it.
Yeah.
So let's put on some finishing touches.
Great.